Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy, and in this video we are going to solve a very important question of GATE CS 2017 set 143 from compiler design. The question here is, consider the following grammar, and this grammar is given to us. Okay, we will analyze it later after reading the complete question. Where real op it is means that relational operator, for example less than or greater than, like that, or refers to the empty statement, and if then else are terminals. Consider a program P following the above grammar containing 10 if terminals. 10 if terminals, right? These 10 if terminals are there. The number of control flow paths in P is, number of control flow path in P is, and for example they have given to us that the program if E1 then E2 else E3 means if E1 is true then we will go to E2, it is one control flow. If it is false we will go to E3, it is the next control flow, isn't it guys? So in that case we have two control flow paths, E1 to E2 and E1 to E3, right, for one statement. Now observe this grammar statement. If expression R, then if expression is true we'll go to R, then we'll go to expression else part, expression R. It is simply like if E1 then we will go to E2, else we will go to E3, like that. And here expression, term ID number, and this is given to us. Basically if you will see here 10 if terminals are there. If 10 if terminals are there, in that case what we need to do, for one expression we have two control flow paths, E1 to E2 and E1 to E3. How many control paths do we have? Two. If we have 10 terminals like that, if we have 10 terminals like that in the if else part, like that, then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 10 times, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? If the grammar contains 10 if terminals, if grammar contains 10 if terminals, then we have 2 to the power 10 control flow graphs, right? 10 control flow paths. It simply means that 1024 control paths would be there. So 1024 is the correct answer for this question. Okay guys, I hope it is clear to you. If you have any kind of query or doubt in this question, do comment in the comment section and I will try to resolve all your doubts and queries as early as possible from my side guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.